Hey guys, I got a 2025 Jeep Compass. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. So I'm going to drop this glove box down, and you're going to go in here, pop that piece out over here, other side as well, pop that out, and then you're going to have to remove this right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn it. So you just turn it clockwise or counterclockwise and then pop it out like that. Okay, that drops it all the way down. Your cabin air filter is right behind this, so we got to remove this piece. This door right here. We're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, 10 millimeter, and I think a T20 to remove that one. So I'm going to go grab that. Okay, I removed that one. Let's remove this right here with the T20. Okay, and then we got this Phillips screw right here. Again, I'm gonna link one of these in the description. Okay, so I had to remove this with two hands. What I did, this piece right here, you want to push down and pop it out, and then this piece right here, you're gonna pop this piece off as well. And that's the cabin air filter. You see the airflow going down. You can check it out. This one's actually in really good shape. But again, if you need one, I'll put one in the description for an Amazon purchase. That's how you do it. Again, it says airflow pointing down on it. No, probably the hardest part is just removing this thing. I mean, it's just that piece right here and then this piece over here. So I would just pop this piece off first and then push this piece down and pull it off like that. So that's how you do it. So hopefully that helped. Thanks for watching.